What's up everyone, I hope you're doing well, and today guys I have Mosaic hobby box of 2020 NFL trading cards. There's 10 packs per box and there is 15 cards per pack. So this is a lot of cards, 150 cards inside. This is very cool. So we are gonna be looking here for 5 silver prisms and 15 mosaic prisms. Hobby exclusive is stained glass swagger inserts. And yeah, this is pretty cool box. Probably most expensive one out of mosaic products. Let's get into this. Here we go. Let's rip the box. All right. There it is. Oh man, these packs are huge. Look how fat they are. Compared to others, this is cool. Yeah, I guess because like there is 15 cards. So we gotta start ripping now these bad boys. So let's go. First pack. We'll see. Oh man, there's a lot of cards. This is so cool. Alright. Kenny Golladay. Oh, we got some yellow or gold, so it might be out of 10. The first card. Alright, let's go. White, Carlos Heidi, Raquan Smith, James Conner, Jason Taylor, Tyler Lockett. What is this? This is Silver Prism. Terrell Davis. Silver Prism. Now this is the fun part begins. Zach Moss. White. It's gonna be Mosaic White Parallel. It's gonna be out of 25, I believe. Yep, it is. And it's number 20. It is his jersey number. How cool is that? eBay 101. This is pretty cool. Oh man. Alright. Next up is Derrick Henry Stairmasters. And now we have Baker Mayfield. Center stage. Look at this card. From Cleveland Browns. It's an insert. Alright, and now our rookies coming in. Patrick Queen, Chase Claypool, Derrick Brown, and Hall of Fame Jerry Rice. Alright guys, we're gonna go with the next pack right now. Oh no, wow, look at this. What happened to this pack? It came like this out of the box. Seriously? How this can happen? Oh my gosh, hopefully no cards is damaged. Alright, let's see what we have here. Devontae Adams. Khalil Mack. Carlos Hyde. Danielle Hunter. Derrick Henry. Eli Manning. Howie Long. And there's a rookie. Let's see this. Who's that? Chase Young. Wow. That's pretty nice. Next we have a red mosaic parallel. That's not numbered. Kirk Cousins. Next we have the insert blue chips. Sonny Michael. Next up is Matthew Stafford. Insert. Center stage. Alright, and our rookies now. Jalen Rigor. And Hall of Fame Troy Polamalu. And Tua. Yes, of course we gotta have to get Tua. Pro Bowl Deshaun Watson. And reporter card. Alright, let's go with the next pack. There it is. What is hiding here? Oh, this one is kind of weird. Alright. Kyle Fuller. Len Dawson. Leighton Vander Eck. Lamar Jackson. Steve Largent. Jared Stidham. Eddie George. Silver Prism James Conner. Alright, Silver Prism James Conner. Next up, rookie Joshua Kelly. The red parallel. Joshua Kelly, a red parallel. Then introductions, Jerry Jody insert. Oh, that's cool. The rookie insert. That is nice. And then we have blue chips, Kyler Murray. The insert. This card is bigger than others for some reason because it's out of 10 and it's number 1. Wow. What a pull. This is cool. I think for this one we need bigger sleeve. Holy. Again, eBay 1 out of 1. First card. He's number 1. Card is number 1. That is huge. This is awesome. Alright, next up is Justin Jefferson. Very nice. Hall of Fame Brian Urlacher. Justin Herbert in here as well. Let's go. And Russell Wilson. Pro Bowl. Alright, let's go with the next pack. Remember guys, we're looking for 2 autographs in this product, so we already pulled some nice cards. So we will see what we gotta get it more. Alright, Allen Robinson. Myles Garrett. Jordan Hicks. Ricky Williams, Russell Wilson, Julian Edelman, and there's first auto rookie CJ Henderson. Why? Come on. Why not Tua or whatever? Seriously. CJ Henderson. Next up, Jordan Nelson. And then we have red parallel Larry Fitzgerald. Next up, Peyton Manning, Man of Mastery. And Drew Brees. And now Kashan Wan rookie. Campbell Pro Bowl. J.K. Dobbins rookie. And Jerry Jody NFL debut. That's not bad rookies in the back. Alright, let's go with the next one. So we got one auto, not the coolest one. Expected better. Let's see what we still gotta get. Travis Kelsey. Oopsies. Jason Witten. Mark Ingram. Stephon Gilmore. Dwayne Haskins. Joe Namath. Tomlinson. And what we have here. Oh. What we have here. And we have Julius Peppers. Alright, next up is Dan Marino. Red parallel. A blue chips. Jalen Ramsey. Peyton Manning montage. Rookies Gabriel Davis. Cole Kmet, NFL debut. Joshua Kelly. And one more. Dan Marino Hall of Fame. Alright. Alright, let's go. Next pack. 5 more packs left. So we are halfway through. Oh, we have in the back Tua. I already saw that. So that's good. Alright. Philip Lindsay. White. Prescott. Ridley. Bayard. Barber. Bosa. And Silver Prism. Pro Bowl. Harrison Smith. NFL debut. Cole Kmet. Red parallel. And then we have Minshew. Stairmasters. And what is this? Terry Bradshaw. It looks black to me. I thought it's like 1 of 1 or something. What is this? Why? Well, I guess it's just a prism. Then we have Cole Kmet. MVPs. Peyton Manning. T. Higgins. And Tua NFL debut. Alright, let's go with the next pack. I wonder what auto we're gonna get. It's probably not gonna be a rookie auto. I don't think so. Alright. Kerryon Johnson. Edmonds. JJ Watt. Daniel Jones. Waller, TJ Watt, Gesicki, and Pro Bowl Kenny Golladay. Red parallel John Elway, and then Brian Urlacher, Man of Mastery. Oh, what is this? Overdrive Mike Allstott. Wow, look at this card. Super cool card. Alright. Rookie KJ Hamler. MVPs Aaron Rodgers. Michael Pittman Jr. And Justin Herbert again. Nice. Okay, guys. 3 more packs. Still looking for that auto. We'll see what we gotta get. Dick Butkus. Leonard Fournier. Kareem Hunt. Taylor. Keenan Allen. Juju. Chris Godwin. And what is this? Stephon Gilmore. Prism. Red parallel Marshall Lynch. Montage Tomlinson. And what is this? Lamar Jackson. Stairmasters Prism. That's a nice insert. All right, rookie AJ Terrell, Cam Akers, NFL debut, Jeff Okuda, and Hall of Fame Terry Bradshaw. All right, guys, 2 more packs. 2 more of these bad boys. Oh, this one ripped very easily. Let's see what we have here. Julia Jones, Matthew Stafford, Cole Beasley, Andre Johnson, Saquon Barkley, Max Crosby, Deshaun Jackson, and Silver Prism. What is this? DeAndre Hopkins. And now we have Blue Parallel, which is out of 99. Jerome Bettis Hall of Fame. Yep, number 41. Okay. Next we have McCaffrey Stairmasters. And what is this? Swagger Drew Lock. That's a Prism insert. And rookies James Morgan, Chase Young, Evans, and Hall of Fame Steve Young. All right, our last pack right here, and there is an auto. And as I said, we already pulled rookie auto, so I don't think it's gonna be a rookie auto. So we'll see what we can get here. What best we could get? I don't know. Let's just check. TJ Hawkinson, DJ Chark, Dak Prescott, Calvin Ridley, Ben, Zach Thomas, and oh no, a redemption card. Are you serious? Why a redemption card? Okay, let's see what it is at least. So Panini Mosaic rookie autographs. All right, that's good. Brian Edwards. Seriously. Wow. All right, let's see the next one then. Rookie Kenneth Murray. Oh no. Ending is pretty bad, guys. All right, Michael Thomas, red parallel. Stairmasters, Randy Moss. The montage, Dan Marino Prism. Lynn Bowden Jr. rookie. Lamar Jackson Pro Bowl. Van Jefferson rookie. And CD Lamb NFL debut. So there it is, guys. Quick recap what we got. So our base rookies, that's a big bunch. Lynn Bowden Jr., Van Jefferson, CD Lamb, James Morgan, Chase Young, Evans, AJ Terrell, Cam Akers, Okuda, AJ Hamler, Michael Pittman Jr., Justin Herbert, Cole Kmet, T. Higgins, Tua, Gabriel Davis, Kmet again, Joshua Kelly, Ishan Wan, J.K. Dobbins, Jerry Jody, Justin Jefferson, Justin Herbert again, Jalen Rigor, Tua again, Patrick Queen, Chase Claypool, and Derek Brown. Our special rookie cards: Silver Prism Kenneth Murray, Red Parallel Cole Kmet, our auto CJ Henderson, introductions Jerry Jody, Red Parallel Joshua Kelly, Prism Chase Young, and this Zach Moss is actually nice. It's out of 25, and then A redemption card of Brian Edwards. And our other stack of inserts and parallels is Dan Marino Prism, Michael Thomas Red Parallel, Drew Lock Swagger Prism, Jerome Bettis Blue Parallel, DeAndre Hopkins Silver Prism, Lamar Jackson Prism, Michael Sean Lynch Red Parallel, Stephon Gilmore Prism, Override Mike Alstott Prism, Josh Elway Red Parallel, Kenny Galloway Prism, Terry Bradshaw Prism, Harrison Smith Silver Prism, Dan Marino Red Parallel, Julius Peppers Prism, Larry Fitzgerald Red Parallel, Jordy Nelson Prism, and this Kyler Murray number one out of 10. One of the best pulls I think we got in here. Really happy about this. And then James Conner Silver Prism, Matthew Stafford Prism, Kirk Cousins Red Parallel, Baker Mayfield Prism, and Terrell Davis Silver Prism. So there it is, guys. This is what we got today, and I'm gonna end it right here. I hope you liked the video, and guys, we will see you in a few days in the next one. Peace.